Oh, whatever, Micah. That's such crap.
Yeah, that's what you need, though.
Cash it.
Here, Ashley.
Whoever.
Ashley.
It don't matter.
Yeah, let's get this one. This one's still a good pole.
Got your fishing poles? You got your fishing poles? You almost got Brody that time. Please be careful. Yay! We catching some fish? Are we catching some fish? Don't throw it out, Asher.
Huh. Good look on that.
Look at him reeling it. You're gonna be ready when you catch a fish, buddy. What? What do you want? You can't turn it that way. Only goes one way. Don't break it. Other way.